In this video, I'll show you how to set up taxes in Shopify. First of all, make sure that you are in the Shopify dashboard as you can see. In the left corner at the bottom right here, we will go for settings. Click on settings. And then right here, we are going to find the following, which is called taxes and duties. Click on taxes and duties, and you should be redirected to this page. Scrolling down below, you can see that you are able to connect some apps for tax compliance. You can also set up and collect duties for import taxes at checkout. You can click the setup button and you should be able to set up. There is some global settings as well right here. You can see that you can include sales tax in product price. Keep in mind that you should not turn this on for USA. You can also charge sales tax on shipping. You can open it right here, and you can also charge VAT on digital goods. After finishing both of these, all you'll have to do right now is click on the setup button right here, and you can select the country, click done, click save, and you have successfully set up the duties and import taxes for USA. Don't forget to click save on the top right here, as you can see. Click on save, and you should be good to go. Thanks for watching.